Rocky Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, western Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:35 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Albany to near Broadhead to 7 miles northwest of Lake Somerset, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Evansville, Broadhead, Albany, Judah, Avon, and Attica. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
As soon as I leave the room, as soon as I leave my room, an SVR gets issued. What the heck?
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois until 7:30 p.m. At 6:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Wildot, or 9 miles east of Freeport, moving north at 15
Why won't you go off? Why won't you go off?
miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Wenatchee around 6:55 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Dakota, Rock City, Davis, Rock Grove, and Lake Somerset. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Okay, I am not leaving my room. Why isn't IM bot going off?
A severe thunderstorm warning for western Winnebago County in
That's my county! Oh no!
7:30 p.m.
That's my county, oh no!
7 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Pecatonica to 6 miles east of German Valley, moving north.
Well, finally you went off!
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Hey, there's a severe thunderstorm warning for my county, or our county.
Your flashlight's on.
I know.
Severe thunderstorms include Harrison, Sherwood, Seward, and Lake Somerset. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh no, flash flooding possible. Oh no. Hey, everyone shut up!
The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Winnebago County in north-central Illinois.
My county! Flash flood warning for my county!
At 7:50 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen in the past hour and a half. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch of possible.
Guys, shut up!
Area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard,
Oh!
flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, rapid onset flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pecatonica, Durand, and Seward. Flash flooding of Sumner Creek, Pink Creek, Otter Creek, and Grove Creek can be expected. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Flash flood warning! Got no! Hey!
Chicago has issued a
Here we go.
Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin,
here we
southeastern Dane County
go!
in south-central Wisconsin until 7:30 p.m. At 6:52
Wow, as soon as my
thunderstorms were located
IM bot refuses to load, screw you.
moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs,
Wow,
siding, and trees.
they're flinging out SVRs like crazy.
Include Stoughton, Fulton, Utica, and Cooksville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. The National Weather Service.
Wow!